Hello students. Last day we had started models. So we have discussed what are models. Models are those words which shows the mode or manner of the action performed by the verb. For example, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, out to, have to, had to. Now we have also discussed the nature of models. The first nature was that model is never used alone. In order to be used in a sentence, models always need a verb. Now we'll discuss further. Now second nature of model is models don't change according to the number or person of the subject. For example, we know that there are two numbers, singular and plural, and person there are three persons, first person, second person, and third person. So whether it be singular, plural, or whether it be I, he, we, he, she, it, they, whatever it is, models never change, the form of models never change. For example, I can play, we can play, he can play, she can play, they can play. Whatever is the number, whether it is singular or plural, or whatever is the person, it doesn't matter. The nature of model doesn't change, the form will be the same. Now another nature of model is models don't have the infinitive form. Now what is the infinitive form? When we use to with the verb, it is known as infinitive form. And model, when models are used in a sentence, infinitive form of the verb is not used. We can't place to with them in order to make their use in the sentence. For example, we must to get there before time. We must get there, that will be incorrect. We must get there or reach there before time. The use of to when there is the use of model in a sentence is not correct. We should not use to. So this is the second nature. First one is models cannot be used alone. Second one is models don't change according to the nature or person of the subject. And third one is models don't have the infinitive form. And now we'll move on to the functions. So first one is can. So can be used in many ways. First of all, it is used to take permission. Can I use your car? We can take permission from our parents, from our friends, okay? And we can also use to make a request. For example, can you lend me your car? So when we use please in the sentence, it becomes more emphasizing. Otherwise, we can use it without please also. Okay, so can is used to make a request, and then to express possibility. For example, you can go there by car. So there is a possibility because some places we cannot reach by car, some places we can reach by car. So in order to express possibility also we can use can. And the fourth one and the final one is the to express ability. I can solve the puzzle. I can do this sum. I can write this letter. So when we show someone's ability in a sentence, we can use the model can. So there are four functions of can. That is, first is to take permission, second one is to make request, third one is to express possibility, and the fourth one is to express ability. Now it should also be mentioned that it is not that the can is only used to take permission or request or to express possibility. For example, we'll also discuss other models like will, may, might. So other models can also perform the same function. Okay, so here we end today's class and we'll be discussing tomorrow.